fans ni na Joshua Garcia at Jolia Barreto, di bumitaw, grabe rin yung pinagdaanan nila. Todo ang magpapasalamat ni na Joshua Garcia at Jolia Barreto sa lahat ng kanilang loyal fans na hindi pa rin sila iniiwan hanggang ngayon. Sa grand media call ng kanilang reunion movie na Unhappy For You mula sa Star Cinema at Viva Films, natanong ng banderang ex-couple kung anong masasabi nila na kahit may kanya-kanya na silang buhay ay suportado pa rin sila ng Josh Lea fans. Maligaya na si Jolia Barreto sa piling ni Gerald Anderson habang happy na rin si Joshua sa bago niyang athlete girlfriend na si Emmeline Veiger. Ayon kay Jolia, grabe din yung pinagdaanan nila, so nagpapasalamat kami, we're so grateful guys kasi never kayo nag-give up. Hindi niyo kami tinitigilan na suportahan kahit yung individual works namin nandyan kayo. So sana this will bring you guys a lot of joy yung movie na ito. Hindi namin inakala na finally makakagawa kami ulit. So this is really a very special one, say pa ni Jolia. Halos ganito rin ang sagot ni Joshua kasabay ng pagpapasalamat sa mga solid Josh Lea fans na hanggang ngayon ay handa pa rin silang paglaban at suportahan. Samantala, noong i-offer daw kay Jolia ang reunion project with Joshua, wala raw siyang maisip na dahilan para tanggihan ito. During the pandemic, parang we were receiving the meetings and calls and then setting na meetings about it. Tapos originally, iba yung kwento niya and then pa-involve na yung material. And I think it really boils down to the right time and the right script. It's a feeling naman when you know it's time and the script is ready for the two of us, I was so bored of course right away, say ni Jolia. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh and work with him again, to work with Derek Peterson, Vargas, and the cast. Our writers like Kakay, Lavayan, whom I'll work with several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset naming lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal and I think that all made us bond even closer. Aniya pa. Sasagutin ng movie ang mga tanong na masaya bang balikan, dapat bang balikan, delolo pang balikan, masarap bang balikan, di dapat balikan, paano nga ba balikan. Even all of our characters here in the movie, we all have our personal journeys na nakikita talaga namin yung isa't isa para kaming reflection ng isa't isa. We all have our different pains and our different joys. It's all about healing, it's letting go, it's accepting, it's setting free. It's really going to be an emotional roller coaster ride in this film and excited. Kami naguluhin ang buhay nyo ng 2 hours. Joke lang, nagtatawa ng chika ni Jolia. Kasama rin sa Unhappy For You sina Kyla Estrada, Aljon Mendoza, Ketchup Eusebio, Jan Lapos, Nuni Vencameno, and Ana Abad Santos, Main in Pinasa, Vector Selayan, Bianca De Vera, at Bong Gonzales.